Hi guys, today we're going to be making a staple Jordanian breakfast dish called ful. But before we get into the dish, I just wanted to ask you guys how you're feeling about this new channel, whether you like the separation between Arabic and English or not. If you could let us know down in the comments below, that would be very much appreciated, just so that we can make sure you guys are having as much of a good time as before. So yeah, just let us know, and then let's get back to ful. Ful is essentially baked pinto or fava beans. So you're going to first put them in your slow or pressure cooker for about an hour, and then you're going to transfer it to a pot. It takes that long because these beans are very hard. So our goal here is to make them as mushy as possible. So just stick it on the medium to high heat and keep stirring and smushing it as much as you can. And to move on to what we usually serve the beans with, you're going to chop up some tomatoes, rather small. As well as some green onions. And finally, some parsley. Make sure to chop off that whole lower half so you're just left with the leafy greens. And once you have all of those vegetables, even though tomatoes are technically a fruit, you're going to cover it with lemon juice, olive oil, and some salt. And once you're done with that, you're essentially done making your food. You just have to assemble. So grab that little salad type mixture, put it on top of your smushed beans, and you are ready to go. We usually keep this refrigerated for a very long time, and we usually make a really large amount, so we just take that straight from the pot, heat it up, and serve it again the next day. So it's really nice because it sticks around for a long time and it's not that hard to reheat. And then obviously you just keep the tomato salad on the side. But that's it. We hope you guys enjoy this dish and you have it for breakfast as much as we do. Happy fooling! Bye!